Misanthrope's lecture and analysis.
Kit in the Mystic Forest, Act 2A, The Forest and the Cure, Part 17. Please do not sneeze. When the trees ceased speaking, all became silent. The earth became stable and the wind died down. And though birds still circled round, none dared sing song. Indeed, the tree commanded all, both beasts and nature. However, though very, very scared, the daughter of Bailey, child of Lorelei, would not be commanded by a tree, not for advice which she believed wrong. Kit picked up Archer and placed him in her satchel. She told the tree to not sneeze and proceeded to climb it all the way up to its very tip top. Well, perhaps not that high, as the nest was actually slightly lower. It was a long climb up either way, and very tiring too, but the girl did make it up and returned the bird to his home. Kit in the Mystic Forest was written by T.O. Coleman, performed by ''H, with original music remix by Adachi. And as always, we give a very special thanks to our audience for listening. Hope you enjoyed. Next time, Part 18, Curse Woods.